Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to Apple Pay without double click. So first of all, go ahead to your browser and basically what you're going to do, it says can you Apple Pay without double clicking. On your iPhone with Face ID you can use assistive touch or you use switch control to confirm payments with facial recognition instead of double clicking the side button. So yeah, there is another way of actually doing it by switching to your assistive touch or use switch control to confirm payments with facial recognition only. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Don't forget to follow us on social media. We will definitely see you in the next one.